Are you tired of feeling stressed and overwhelmed by your finances? Do you wish you had a clear plan to manage your money more effectively? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to Money Matters Explained, the ultimate guide to managing your finances. The first step to financial success is budgeting. Creating a budget allows you to track your income and expenses, helping you stay on top of your financial situation. Next, use technology to your advantage. With mobile banking apps, you can easily monitor your accounts, set up automatic bill payments, and even track your spending habits. Consider utilizing financial tools such as a savings account, credit cards with rewards, and investment accounts. These tools can help you maximize your money and reach your financial goals. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions about your money, ensuring you're on the right track. Managing debt is a crucial part of achieving financial stability. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first and consider consolidating loans to reduce interest rates. Savings are essential for emergencies and future goals. Start saving early and consistently, even if it's just a small amount each month. Your future self will thank you. Finally, plan for your retirement. Start contributing to a retirement fund as soon as possible to take advantage of compounding interest and ensure a comfortable future. Managing your finances may seem daunting, but with these simple steps, you can take control of your money and secure a brighter future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and advice.